Hello, welcome. Jacqueline here again, and for today's video, I will teach you how to book a flight for free if you have points on your credit cards. Ayan, good morning again. So, Jacqueline here, and ayan, sa may mga credit cards po na matatagal nang ginagamit at you don't know how to use the reward points, I will teach you how to use it. So usually you can redeem your reward points by paying your annual fees, or you can convert it into miles, or you can also redeem it by buying some mga items sa mga partner program ng inyong credit card. So, sa akin, nanghihinayin kasi ako dahil mayroon kaming Citibank na credit card na saksakan ng dami ng rewards. Hindi ko yun alam dati. So, inalam ko po talaga. So, as a reservation specialist, or I have my own travel agency, right? So, and I have this experience, or my work is to book flights using miles or money. So, yes, you can convert your rewards points into miles. So what you need to do is to enroll or sign up to your preferred airline. Let's say Philippine Airlines, United Airlines, Air Asia. Tingnan ninyo, for example, mag-name names na lang ako sa Citibank or sa Union Bank. So nakita ko, partner sila sa Air Asia, Philippine Airlines, Singapore Airlines. Ang daming airlines na pwede nyong or maraming airlines na pwede ninyong mag-open ng miles account. So you need just to sign up. So syempre mag-sign up kayo, bibigyan niyo yung mga details niyo, and you will receive your own account number or miles account number. So once you're done, for example yung sa akin sinasabi ko lang to yung dun sa alam ko lang. For example sa akin kasi wala kasi sa Metro Bank credit card ang Cebu Pacific. I don't know why. So ang mayroon sa Metro Bank is Philippine Airline. Mabuhay Miles ang tawag. Mabuhay Miles ba? Yes, Mabuhay Miles ata. So nag-sign up ako, and then ewan ko lang, but if you are aware, sa Metrobank kasi online, wala silang visibility to show your rewards points. So what I did is I called the hotline number ng Metrobank, at nagpunta ako sa credit card option, at nagpunta ako sa agent para malaman ko how much is my rewards points, kasi ang alam ko sobrang dami ng transactions ko sa Metrobank because lahat ng bills ko nakalink sa Metrobank credit cards ko. But nevertheless, I am not using the credit card or the Metrobank credit card sa ibang bagay kasi nga gusto ko yung credit card na to sa bills lang. So sa dami ng transactions sa bills ko monthly, alam ko marami na ako rewards points. And yes, marami na nga ako rewards points. So, ang sabi ng agent, mag-create ako ng account. So, I decided, mayroon na ako mileage account sa United Airlines. However, syempre, hindi naman ako magpunta sa international flight. So, nag-ano muna ako sa Philippine Airlines kasi nga, yun ang partner nila. At alam ko mayroon pa silang ibang partner, pero Air Asia and Cebu Pacific is not listed under Metrobank. So, I choose Philippine Airlines. So, Mabuhay Miles. So, nag-sign up ako. I got my own miles account. So, what you need to do next is request. So, I'll be calling again. So, 8 to 5 p.m. open ang hotline na Metrobank to redeem the points or my reward points to convert it to my miles account. Okay. Same as I tried also checking my Union Bank online. So, may time ako ngayon nag-check ako. Ang dami nilang airline partners. So, I also saw the rewards points na available sa Union Bank credit card ko. So, I just click the redeem, and then if you are planning to book your flight, make sure that you can redeem your points going to your miles at least 2 weeks, sabi ng Union Bank. But sa United Airlines real-time or at least 24 to 72 hours. But of course, make sure na lang para wala na ng aberya. Kunwari, mag-book kayo bukas. Wag naman ngayon kayo mag-transfer. So, at least ahead of time, 2 weeks before you plan to book your flight, you can transfer and redeem your points na. So, yun. Nasaan ako? So, sa Union Bank, you have a lot of airlines or partner airlines to redeem your points. So, kunwari, marami kayong points, gusto ninyong i-transfer sa preferred ninyong airline. So, just make it sure na mamimili kayo ng gusto ninyong airline doon, okay? So, pwede namang isa lang. Kung gusto niyo sa Philippine Airline lang, doon nyo i-transfer lahat. So, sa akin kasi maraming credit card, no? So, I have Metro Bank, I have Union Bank, I have East West, BPI, and PNB. So, lahat ng points na yon pwede ninyong ilagay sa Philippine Airline or sa preferred ninyong pagsamasamahin ninyo at least 2 weeks before you book your flight. Pagsamasama, kunwari gusto ninyong mag-book ng flight 2 weeks before, transfer na ninyo lahat para at least mag-post na doon and ready to book it. At tatanungin ninyo ako, paano ba i-book yon? So, just go to the website. For example, sa Philippine Airlines, go to their website. Choose the miles option instead of money. Okay? So, di ba may money doon? Di ba pag money, gagamit kayo ng credit card or ng debit card ninyo. So, choose the miles option to book it. So, ewan ko lang sa iba, but sa iba, mayroong miles and money option, mayroong ng miles option or award. Yun po yun. So, at least free na po yung inyong flight. So, yun po yung ganun po yung sistema. So, ngayon ko lang kasi siya inaaral. Kasi nga, saan ba nanggagaling itong mga miles na to pag nagbubook ako? Kasi may mga miles account holders kami, nasaksakan ng dami nila at nagtatransfer. Inaral ko to. So, ayun. Sa mga credit cards dyan, alamin na po ninyo paano mag-open ng miles account or mileage account sa inyong preferred airline para at least makita ninyo at magamit ninyo yung mga rewards points ninyo as free. You can book it. Ang question pa, ano pa ba? Can I just use it under my name? Yes, and you can also book a flight with your friends or loved ones. You can sponsor them or you can book, kunwari 5 kayo sa isang travel, pwede naman yung magamit lahat yun kung marami kayong miles availability, right? So, hindi lang sa under your name. You can, kunwari sa isang reservation, you can book at least maximum of hanggang 10 lang ata ang minimum, no? Or 9. Kasi yung more than that, that would be a bulk reservations or group reservations. So, ayan, 8 minutes na, masyadong mahaba na. So, again, you can book your flight free using your points or rewards points. Just convert it into your miles or plus points sa mileage account ng inyong preferred airlines. Okay? So, kung may mga questions kayo, mag-comment na lang kayo at try ko pong sagutin at aralin. Okay? So, thank you for watching. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye. God bless.